Okay, last one. Oh, I saw her. I lost her again. Well, she's on this frame. She came out of that cell I added the other day. Let's assume she went on the other side. It took me a while to get the camera going. They're still raising brood. They didn't bother to grow any eggs of their own. They waited for mommy to provide with 6. Wait. Is that her? No, that's not her. Oh. Nope. Wait, no, that's not her. This is what we're looking for. See how the thing opened up? You want to see that, not chewed on the edge. Oh, there she is. Right by my phone. Is that her? Yeah. Damn it, I lost her again. Oh, son of a... Seriously? Well, I saw her. I swear. Really was her. I think she went to the other side while I was dicking with the camera again. Where'd you go, Pumpkin? Oh, for God's sakes. Let's see, that's a boy. That's a boy. She was here. We looked for that big thing on the back. Usually she's in a cluster of bees because they're happy to make her acquaint. I swear I saw her. Oh, come on. Come on, lady. Did you go back down? And so far I've found all of them. Whoop, there she is. On the top. Going over the side. There she is. You keep her running fast. Okay. You keep her running fast because you don't want her to get too fat to breed because she's got to go flying. Anyway, okay. So far we're 3 for 4. The only hive I didn't see. Oh, come on. The only hive I didn't see one in, God, I hope everybody's okay, was number 2. And this one's got brood, so they're happy little bee campers. Alright, well, I don't think we have to do anything else then. Just let her breed. And, well, say night, night, bees. Night, night, bees. Night, night, bees. Okay, so we're 3 for 4.